Guys, right now it's snowing. Right now I'm putting my freaking gloves on because I can't. I'm putting these on because I can't find my other gloves. Sadly, I'm just putting these. But I swear to God, it's snowing in Vegas. Oh.
¿Por qué las abiertas? Eso no me parece, ¿eh?
Se me salió.
Ok.
No lo apagues.
Mira, cuánta nieve.
Haz un video.
Mucha nieve.
Déjame ver.
Ponte el gorro, niño. No, ponte el gorro en la cabeza.
When I turn off the light. Can you see that? That's all nice right there. Oh, some of it fell on my camera. You can kind of see it like falling in front of the lens right now. Oh my God. It's snowing. I've actually never seen. Oh my God. Look at this car. Oh!
Ponlo en Facebook Live.
YouTube.
Vamos a sacarle el chisme.
I'm trying to clean the thing. Oh no, I got these wet.
Qué bonito.
This is amazing. Look.
¿Le enseñó su suéter?
Oh my God, my camera has snow everywhere.
Mira cómo se ve cuánta nieve.
I wish guys can actually see this. Look, it's like everything's covered in snow. Wait, if I just... Can I like turn this thing off? No! ¿Me lo apagas? La
Ya
luz.
agarré esto.
La luz.
Ya, apagó.
No, nomás eso.
¿No? A ver,
For some reason the light doesn't turn
¿dónde
off.
está tu teléfono? A ver, Brian, agarra. No, pues ya no jaló. Mi teléfono se mojó. ¿Qué? Ah, ¿es el tuyo? ¿Dónde está el
Sí, es
mío?
mío.
No se puede.
Huh. Bro, if you guys can see this, like, everything is falling. Oh, no! I just stepped on this water. Ew. We're really gonna set up ice. Look at all this ice, bro. Like, I've never seen so much. I've never actually seen ice in Vegas. Wait. It just gets filled back up. Wow, look. It's starting to fill with the ice a little bit. This is amazing. Look at all the ice. In the morning, I'm definitely gonna film and show you guys. Look, wait, if I get closer to the ice, to the light, you can definitely see it fall. Look, all that white powder stuff, That's all ice. Oh no, the lens are getting dirty. Damn it. Oh, it's getting my eye. Wait, I need to put this up. Bro, I've never seen ice. Snow, I mean. Look. Look, oh my god. This one's kind of like in a slope, so kind of fell off. She's recording as well, my mom. She doesn't have a YouTube channel. She's gonna post it on Facebook. Oh, look at this. All that white stuff that's falling. It's crazy, bro. Oh my god. This looks amazing in my view. You can see my breath. You can definitely see my breath. Oh my god, look at my sister's car. Holy cows. Like, I bet you can't even see this, but look. Oh no! Oh! I tried to get one in my mouth. I got one immediately. Holy cows. I'll put this in my other hand. My other hand's like this. Oh my god, look at my trash can. Oh my god. Woo! I'm good.
Tápame.
Look at Chucha.
Mi gorro.
Oh my god.
¿Cómo se pone el like?
¿Ah?
Facebook Live, ¿cómo se pone?
¿Déjame ver? ¿Cómo?
No sé cómo se pone.
Creo que nomás lo ocupa escuchar 2 veces. Espérate. No, ya te listos. Bro, I can hear sirens. Oops. Oh my god. Look at my car. Look at the car, bro. Oh, my fingers are getting cold. Oh snap, my fingers are getting cold. I need to take a rest of this snow. Oh my god. I want to update you guys tomorrow. Oh, my fingers are getting cold. Oh, my camera's all dirty. That's really cold. Wait, let me clean my thing. Huh. Doesn't let me. Huh. My phone's not working very well right now. It doesn't let me touch anything. I'm not really worried about that. Okay? Alright, let's go back out. Oh my god, this just got even more. Wait, let me just take a picture of this. I can't, no puedo tomar fotos. No, no sé cómo, el screen ya no sirve.
No, que se mojó. Tienes las manos frías.
Déjame tratar. No sé. I don't know. Doesn't let me take pictures. I I guess I'm gonna have to take pictures after this. Oh my god, look at the brim of this. Right now I'm getting covered from this. Oh my god. Have you seen the change? And look, the smiley face I put is not even there anymore. I'm actually using my bare hands now. Oof. Oof. Yeah. Look at his nose. Oh no. Oh. Boom. I'm gonna try to put snow on the lens. Yeah, it looks like. Woo. Oh, so close. Oh my god. I'm going to my eye, damn it. Oh. It's piling up. Oh my god, wait. Ah. Ma, cuando vi eso pensaba que era como un hielo.
No, eso no es hielo.
Ah! Cracked. Ma, mira tu trailer. Oh. Mira tu trailer.
Sí, ya veo.
I've never actually seen ice. Here. Oh my god. This wood is gonna get very moldy after it. Look. You can kind of see it like. Oh, that's so cold. Ah. This is not even. Oh, it's doing a little bit. Stuck. Okay. Okay, I can't even put the. It's huge, yours. If you could see what. Oh my god. Oh no. Marita vi. Oh my hands. My hands are getting like frostbite. I feel like my hands are getting frostbite right now. Oh my god. What the heck, dude? Oh, my hands are keep getting so cold. So cold. Oh, not bad. That's not bad. I need to get myself gloves. I did have gloves. They just got so much ice on them. Stupid me. There's pretty sure some gloves in there. Bro. Today, dude, I think these gloves are good enough to wear. Please, Lord. Super thick. like, okay.
¿Qué haces, hijo? Ya deja de estar ahí comiendo tanta cosa. Es que se enfría el dedo. Ponte el gorro.
Alright, we're going back out. We're going to go on an adventure. That's getting even more. It's starting to pile up. Ah, again in my eye. Ya me lo pisé. Oh my god. It's actually snowing. Like this day gets getting better and better. Like my day was like horrible. But like now, look, remember how it used to be? Yeah, look at it now. Oh my god. Wait. It's like a cloud now. It's a poofy cloud. That's funny. It's a poofy little cloud. Oh my god. Poofy little cloud. Poofy little cloud. Look, 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 look. It's white right there. God, there's so much. Oh, it's gonna all pile up in there. Oh, there's so much water in there actually. Wow. I think my screen of my phone is like getting so cold that it doesn't even let me tap it. Oh my god, I stepped on water. It soaked my foot.